Have you been looking for an acre of land and an outdoor oasis with no HOA, no CDD, bring what you want? You found it. Mike Rolowitz, 904 Home Guide team with eXp Realty, here with Maggie Jensen. Today we're at 1753 Coulee Avenue on Jacksonville's west side in the Hyde Park area. Super excited to show you this 3-bed, 2 full bath home on over an acre of land with a pool house. Amazing front yard, beautiful tree canopy. You are gonna love it. Maggie, tell them about the inside.
Welcome to this 2,100 square foot ranch style brick home. Inside we've got 3 large bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a formal dining room, and I think the highlight, the updated kitchen with a gorgeous view of the beautiful backyard. Extra family room has been converted into a workout room, and there are gorgeous hardwood floors throughout. If you're looking for a wonderful pool home in Hyde Park, look no further than 1753 Coulee Avenue.